Hello everyone, so this video is about IBPS AFO preparation, especially this is video for beginners. This is beginner's guide. This video is prepared by me. My name is Ashish Lad. I clear IBPS AFO examination in year 2018. So let's start. So this video is for those who are currently pursuing their graduation, the last year graduation students, then who want to start their preparation from basic again because somehow they miss the cutoff this year, or someone who want to start their preparation from scratch again. So this video will be in English language only. I have already prepared a video on strategy for beginner, but it is in Hindi language. So many of you demanded that, sir, we are having difficulty in understand Hindi, so please make video in English language. So on your demand, I am coming here. In return, I just demand one like from you. So hit like button right now. So first we will see the strategy for those are in first, second or third year of graduation. You have to make your basic clear. That's why you must focus on your academics. Strong academic knowledge is also important for IBPS AFO examination because whatever the MCQs you are going to solve in actual examination, that are based on our graduation syllabus only. If you make your graduation subject stronger, you will find it easy to solve any MCQ in actual examination. So this is right time to focus on your academics. That will not only boost your IBPS AFO preparation but also make you academically stronger. Then make basic stronger. The basic subject like agronomy, then horticulture, then pathology, then entomology, make their basics stronger. If you make their basics stronger, you will not have any difficulty in solving tricky MCQs. Then solve maximum MCQ. Buy a good book on MCQ and make habit of solving MCQ. You can buy Kantwa MCQ book. The link is in description box. You can buy from there, or any other MCQ book. But you should make habit of solving MCQ because ultimately you have to solve MCQ in examination. The next important thing is you have to read newspaper daily. That will have dual benefit. One, it will make your English subject very stronger. Means it will improve your vocabulary. It will improve your reading comprehension skill. And the second thing is that general awareness. You will have a better hold on general awareness. So you have to read newspaper daily. Then you have to follow these two magazines, the Yojana and Kurukshetra. But you have to read specific subjects in this magazine, like if there is article on government scheme or agriculture related scheme, then those articles you must read. Then start your full-fledged preparation when you reach to last year. Now these instructions are to those students who are in last year of graduation. The first and most important thing that you have to do is to see the previous year questions. For any kind of competitive examination, there are two most important activity that everyone should do. The first is to see the syllabus, and the second thing is to see the previous year question paper. These are guiding points for your examination. Don't just read the questions but sort the questions according to subject. So the sort question topic wise and year wise. You have to take 10 blank pages for 10 subject. I will provide 10 subject list in description box. Devote single blank page for single subject. For example, all previous year question on agronomy should be in single page only. Likewise, you have to follow this practice for other subject also. And you have to keep this paper in front of you while reading or while studying that particular subject. The most important benefit of this practice is that you will able to know what to read and what to skip. That is most important thing in competitive examination. I am going to tell list of book after the video, or you will find it in description box. But most important thing is that you don't have to read book from page to page. You must read it specifically. And this question and syllabus will guide you what to read and what to skip. So follow standard reference book. Reference books makes your basics stronger. I have already told that in any examination you have to make your basics stronger. The book list is in description box and their links are also given. You can buy from there also. Don't go for online compilation and study material right now. First you read basic books and afterwards you can go with online coaching material or compilations. If you directly go to compilations, your basic will not be stronger and eventually some tricky question you will not able to solve. We don't have to take any risk in examination. We have to prepare for any circumstances. We have to prepare for any kind of difficulty level. So you have to prepare from book only, then go for compilations or coaching material. If you read books, you can easily solve any question. There are few questions that when you don't know exact answer, but you can find it by elimination method, and the elimination method can be follow effectively if you read the basic books. The most important thing you should do that watch my videos on how to prepare series. I have provided link in description box, you can watch from there. In that video I have told in general about examination in first video. In second video I have talked about prelim examination, its syllabus, important topics, and in third video I have talked about mains examination and syllabus. So you must watch those videos, the link is in description box. So make notes. Making notes is a very important habit that every aspirant should follow. Make notes while reading books. You have to make notes while reading books. You have to jot down important points while reading book, because at the end of the day or while revising, you will not able to read entire book. That time your notes or your handwritten notes will help you a lot. While solving MCQ also, you have to note the MCQs, or you have to note that point which are new to you in your notebook. You can devote 100 pages notebook to each subject. Make short one-liner notes. It will help you in last revision, because last revision is most important. There should be 3 to 4 last revision prior to examination. That will help a lot. If you're not able to do this revision, then you will face difficulty in solving MCQs. So you have to make 3 to 4 revisions before examination by your own notes. Making revision not only make your preparation stronger, but it also boosts your confidence. So this is in short strategy for beginners. If you have any doubt, then let me know in comment section. Please hit like button, because that motivates me a lot to make awesome content for you. I hope that you will get at least 100 likes on this video to me. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.